Welcome to Gemara for Children. Today we are going to learn the Mitziyasa and the Seifa inside. Before we begin, I would like to learn 5 words from our Mishnah. Word number 1 is the word Shinui. Shinui means change. Word number 2 is Ketzad, which means what is the case. Word number 3 is Besoichai, which means inside of it. Word number 4 is Cheres, which means pottery. And final word, word number 5, is Kli, which means a vessel. Let's go to read the Mitziyasa inside of the Mishnah. Says the Mishnah, Rabbi Yehuda Omer Kama. Rabbi Yehuda says, Kol sheyesh boi shinui kama. Anything that has in it a change, any of the above 10 cases, that there's a change, there's something that's out of the ordinary, then chayav lahachriz, period. The finder is responsible to announce it. Asks the Mishnah, Ketzad, question mark, what is the case? What is an example of a change in any of the above 10 cases mentioned earlier? So Rabbi Yehuda says 2 examples. Example number 1 is Matzah igul uvesoichei cheres kama. If a person found a round cake of pressed figs and inside of it there is a piece of pottery. Or another example, if kikar uvesoichei ma'os, period. If a person finds a loaf of bread, and as we mentioned before, that was made by a baker, and inside of it there is money, that both of these cases there's a major change, then the finder is responsible to announce it. Continuing along to the Seifa, to the final part of the Mishnah, says the Mishnah, Rabbi Shimon ben Elazar Omer Kama. Rabbi Shimon, the son of Elazar, says, Kol klei anpuria kama. Any brand new vessels, all brand new vessels, ein chayav lahachris 2 dots. The finder is not responsible to announce it. And here there is no need to put in any punctuation because there are 2 dots already printed inside of the Mishnah. And let's learn from here that any time in the Mishnah or in the Gemara we have 2 dots, that means that we are ending whatever topic it was that we are discussing, and the next line we are going to begin a brand new topic, and for us we are going to begin the Gemara.